नमस्कार. आज आपण गणित या विषयाचा उजळणी वर्गाचा हा व्हिडिओ पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट 1 to 50 introduction. Listen here. 12. 12 means 110 2 units. 12 means 110 2 units. 12 110 2 units 12. 110 2 units 12. 110 2 units 12. Understood? Listen. Now say after me. Okay. 2 10 6 units 26. 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 3 10s 4 units. Say after me. 34. 3 10s 4 units 34. 3 10s 4 units 34. 3 10s 4 units 34. 4 10s 3 units. Say after me. 43. 4 10s 3 units 43. 4 10s 3 units 43. 4 10s 3 units 43. 2 10s 1 unit 21. 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 3 10s 9 units 39. 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 Listen again. Say after me again. 1 10 2 units 12. 1 10 2 units 12. 2 10 6 units 26. 2 10s 6 units 26. 3 10s 4 units 34. 3 10s 4 units 34. 4 10s 3 units 43. 4 10s 3 units 43. 2 10s 1 unit 21. 2 10s 1 unit 21. 3 10s 9 units 39. 3 10s 9 units 39. Say after me. 4 10s 8 units 48. 4 10s 8 units 48. 3 10s 1 unit 31. 3 10s 1 unit 31. 5 10s 50. 5 10s 50. 2 10s 4 units 24. Say after me. 2 10s 4 units 24. 1 10 9 units 19. 1 10 9 units 19. 4 10s 2 units 42. 4 10s 2 units 42. 3 10s 6 units 36. 3 10s 6 units 36. 2 10s 5 units 25. 2 10s 5 units 25. 1 10 8 units 18. 1 10 8 units 18. 4 10 7 units 47. 4 10s 7 units 47. 3 10 6 units 36. 3 tens 6 units 36. 2 tens 9 units 29. 2 tens 9 units 29. 1 ten 6 units 16. 1 ten 6 units 16. 4 tens 4 units 44. 4 tens 4 units 44. 3 tens 8 units 38. 3 tens 8 units 38. 2 tens 7 units 27. 2 tens 7 units 27. We know, listen again. 1 10 2 units. This is 10. 1 10. We know 1 10. 1 10 means 10. 1 10 10. 2 tens 20. 3 tens 30. Say after me. 1 10 10. 2 tens 20. 3 tens 30. 4 tens 40. 5 tens 50. 6 tens 60. 7 tens 70. 8 tens 80. 9 tens 90. 10 tens 100. Listen. 1 10 10. 10 and 2 12. 1 10 2 units 12. 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20. 6 units means 26. 2 tens means 20. 26. Very easy to learn these numbers. 3 tens 4 units. 3 tens means 30. And 4 units 34. Okay, understood? Listen here. 1 2 3. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. And 4 units means 4. 34. 4 tens 3 units. 4 tens means 40. 4 tens means 40. And 3 units. 43. 1 2 3 4. 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. And 3 units 43. 2 tens 1 unit. 2 tens means 20. And 1 unit 21. 3 tens 9 units. 3 tens means 30. And 9 units means 39. Listen here. 1 2 3. 3 tens means 30. 30 and is 9. 39. Okay? This time listen. This is tens. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 48. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 31. 5 tens. 50. 2 tens 4 units. 2 tens means 20. 24. 1 10 9 units. These are 19. This is not, the reading of this 19 is 1 10 9 units 19 only. 19. 4 tens 2 units. 4 tens means 40. 42. 3 tens 6 units. 36. Okay. 2 tens 5 units. 25. 1 tens 8 units. 18. 4 tens means 40. 7 units. 47. You should take here the new number. It is 33. Okay. 3 tens means 30. 3 units. 33. 2 tens 9 units. 2 tens means 20. 9 units. 29. 1 ten 6 units. 16. 4 tens 4 units. 4 tens means 40. Now 44. 3 tens 8 units. 3 tens means 30. 38. 2 tens 7 units. 27. Okay. Now match the following. Which number is here? Listen, 1 10 and 2 tens. You know, 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. 2 tens means 20. And these 3 units 23. Where is 23? 23 is here. 23. Here is, listen, 4 tens 5 units 45. 3 tens 7 units 37. And here 2 tens 3 units 23. Here 2 tens 3 units. So match this 2 tens 3 units. Okay. Listen here. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 40 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. 45. Here is 45. Match this. Okay. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 10, 20, 30. 30 and 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 37 here is 37. 3 tens, 7 units. 3 tens, 7 units. Listen. 3 tens, 7 units. 3 tens, 7 units. So match this. Okay? Understood? Now here, next one listen. Circle the correct number. Circle the correct number. So read the number. 1 ten, 2 tens. There are 2 tens. And how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. 2 tens and 8 units. Here 2 tens and 7 units. No. 2 tens and 5 units. This is also wrong. 2 tens, 8 units. It is correct. So circle the correct number. So this is the correct number. 2 tens, 8 units. 2 tens, 8 units. Understood? Listen the next. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 10, 6 units means 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46, 4, 10, 6 units. This 3 10, 6 units. 4 10, 6 units. Here is 4 10, 6 units. Here 4 10, 8 units. So which is the correct number? 46 is the correct number. So circle this time. Understood? Listen. Put the correct sign from the bracket. Listen here. Which is the greatest number? We should draw or write the sign. This is smaller than, greater than, and equal to. Smaller than, greater than, and equal to. So the greater number, which is the greater number? We should, how to determine this? So we first must see the tens. Here 2 tens and here is 1 ten. 2 tens, 3 tens and 1 ten. 3 tens is greater. 3 is greater than 1. So this is 31 is greater than 13. 31 is greater than 13. Why? Because 3 is 3 tens. Here is 3 tens and here is 1 ten. 3 tens and 1 tens. 3 tens is greater than 1 tens. 3 means 30 and 1 10. So we should write here the sign greater than. 31 is greater than 13. 31 is greater than 13. Here 28 and 41. So listen here. Here is 2 tens and here is 4 tens. Which is greater? 4 tens. So 4 tens means 41 is greater than the 28. So write the sign this time. We must write the 2 lines in front of bigger number. These two lines must be right in front of bigger number. Understood? 28 is smaller than 41. Understood? Listen the next. Count the objects and write the number. Count. 110, 8 units. Write 110, 8 units, 18. 110, 8 unit, 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 110, 8 units. Here how many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. Right here 3. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 units. 3 tens, 5 units. 35. Listen. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens. Right here 4 tens means 4. And 1 unit. 141. Very easy. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. How many tens are there? 3. So right here 3. 3 tens. And units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. So the number is formed 39. Understood? Here is 110. So right here 110. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units are there. So right here 4. 14. Understood? This time. Here, write the greatest number in the box. Write the greatest number. These type of examples we should write by this method. How? We should first determine the tens. Which 10 is greater? Listen here. There is 4, 2 and 3. Which 10 is greater? 4 is greater. 4 means 40, 2 means 20, 3 tens means 30. Which is the greatest number? That's 4 tens. 4 tens, 3 units, 43. This is the greatest number. Understood? 4, 2, 3. That 4 is greater. Listen here. 1, 4, 2. Which is greater? 4. 4 tens is greater. So right here, the greatest number is 40. This is a very easy method. Understood? Write the smallest number in the box. Now, write the smallest number. So, use the same method, but the smallest tens is the smallest number. Here is the tens is 3 tens, 5 tens, 1 ten. Which is the smaller? This is 3 tens, this is 5 tens, this is 1 ten. 1 ten is smaller. So 110 unit is the smallest number because this is 30, 32, 50, 70. But how to determine the smallest number? So we must see the tens number, the digit at tens place. We must see the digit at tens place. Here is 3 at tens place, here is 5 at tens place, and here is 1 at tens place. So 1 is smallest number. So 110 is smallest tens. So 17 is the smallest number. Understood? Listen again here. 3 tens, 4 tens, 1 tens. So we must see the tens, the digit at tens place, the smallest digit. The smallest digit. Here, listen here. Here is 3 tens, 4 tens, and 1 tens. The digit at tens place must be smallest. That number is smallest. So here 1 is the smallest digit. 1 is the smallest tens. So this number is the smallest number, means 14 is the smallest number. Understood? Okay. Now write the numbers in the ascending order. In this case also, this ascending and descending order also, we must use this type of method. Okay. So we must see first the tens place number, digit. Here is 3, 1 and 4. Ascending order means what? Ascending order means that smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. So in ascending order, we must write first smallest number and last greatest number. In descending order, greatest to smallest. In descending order, we write first greatest number and last smallest number. Okay. Ascending order means to go up and descending order means to come down. Ascending order means to go up and descending order means to come down. Understood? So listen here. Here is the 3 at 10th place, 1 is at 10th place and 4 is at 10th place. So which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 16. So write here 16 first. In ascending order, we must write first the smallest number. Then 1 after in 3, because 4 is the greatest number, means the second number is 35 and the last number is 40. This is the correct ascending order. Understood? In this also, we must see or mark that at 10th place. Which number is at 10th place? Here is 3, here is 2 and here is 1. Means which is the smallest number? Ascending order means we must write the smallest number. Which is smallest number? 16 is smallest number. Then the middle number is 28 and the greatest number is 30. This is the correct ascending order. Understood? Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means we must write, descending order means greatest to smallest. We must write first the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? So we must see the tens place digit. We must see the tens place digit. Here is 4, 2 and 3. So we must write the greatest tens place digit. Which is the greatest number is 4 means 49. So we must write here first 49. Descending order means greatest to smallest. We must, in descending order, we must write first greatest number. Then second one is 31. And last is the smallest number. Which is smallest number? 27. This is the correct descending order. Understood? In this also, listen, there is 3, 1 and 2. In ascending and descending order or in smallest to determine smallest or greatest number, we must see the number at tens place. So tens place, here is 3, here is 1 and here is 2. Which is the greatest? Means 3 is the greatest. Means 36 is greatest. In descending order, we must write first the greatest number. Then the next one smallest and last we must write the smallest number. This is the method of writing descending order. Understood? So we have learned today the introduction of 1 to 50 numbers. In that we see how to write the numbers of objects and the greatest number, smallest number, and ascending and descending order. Okay? Thank you very much.